What's up, Webbie gang? So I'm out eating with the family. Where we at, B? Tell them where we at.
Eastar.
We at Easton. We about to eat good, y'all. I ain't never been here before. They got the whole 9 yards, whatever you need. Excuse me. They got the whole 9 yards, whatever you need. Oh, yeah.
Oh, Grandma got your plate.
Oh, yeah. Let me see what I'm about to eat. They got it all. Look, they got the Mexican rice, the Mexican chicken. So this is what I want right here. I want some of this rice right here. I just need a sample because I don't know how that shit tastes. And then I want some of this meat right here. Feel me? I just want a sample. Put that on there. I'm going to be back with y'all. Let me go maneuver around this hole. And I got whatever this is right here. Then she got whatever that is right there. And then sister got crawfish. I don't eat crawfish. I don't do crawfish or crab. I do know. Look at your face. You ain't good? Come on, let's go. We out. Everything is good. No complaints, you know. They served us good. They did us well. Now we back outside in the rain with it. Come on.
Yeah.
It's raining outside. Raining down on me. Ah! Dirty sound. Thank y'all.
Ooh, thank you.
You're welcome. Little ugly dude. All the meals there. I don't be realizing it. Now they're coming in with the charge reports too. Oh, you all going down. Don't play with it. Maybe they even got those kidnappers. If you're trying to kidnap somebody, you get this right here. You feel me? Yes, sir. With these gloves right here too. You ain't gotta worry about nothing. You hear me? Mm-hmm. I was telling them if they wanted to kidnap somebody. I'm joking. You my everything. What does this bill do every day?
It's due on.
They're gonna easily break that right there.
But I ain't trying to have this. I ain't trying to have this on.
Thank you. My bad, player. Don't beat me up, player. My everything, you I want. I'm with my big sister. Look. This is what we're working with right now. That's it. It's all in there. It's like right there. You don't have to make it do what it do. Oh, the last one to the right. Cause you're my everything, you who I want. Like this up.
Okay, you clean.
Fresh and so clean.
It's all empty. I guess. I ain't trying to put no gas in here.
Thank you, ma'am. Follow you, you know the way?
You don't know the way?
Don't do me like that now. Cause you know me, our GPS is real fast.
Oh, Lord.
Look out for now, Simmons, I'm right behind you. Watch your leg, I'm about to shut the door. You're my everything. That ain't closed all the way. There we go. All right, Simmons, I see you. I see you, Simmons. Big driver, don't play with him. Big driver, not the little. So when we started moving, our boy West started putting stuff into the truck. Yeah, so it's falling. Y'all might be like, oh, this gonna fall. This ain't gonna fall because when you stack the big stuff in there, it's gonna hold it in place. But y'all see how nice and neat I got that? Hey, if you need help moving, I'm that guy, you hear me? Thank you very much. Oh, we gonna sit this right here. Oh, that shit really just pissed me off. Put that right there. Do I want to put that right there? Oh, no, I don't want to put that right there. I don't want to put that right there. Oh, shit. Put that up there. Like that. Oh, and that can go back some more on the cool. All that stuff. Leave that right there. I can put this right here. Just like that. Feel me? Now let's go get some more stuff. Come Monday, man, that truck gonna kill me. It's hot in the bitch. Big breakfast. Sunlight. Day update, you know what I'm saying? This is what it's looking like. This is what we got in here so far. You know what I'm saying? The grind is real. The grind is real. Whew, I'm out of breath. Putting that work in strong in the bitch, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's about to be the end of the video, y'all. Peace out. It done started raining in the middle of us. Freaking loading up, man. Y'all probably can't see it, but I know y'all can hear it. And you know, I hate getting wet, so I'm stuck in the trailer. Alright. Here's our progress, y'all. Check this out.
I'm saying? Oh, I got hot boys. I'm sweating brick. All right, y'all. Peace. That's the end of the vlog. Appreciate y'all for watching. You feel me?